Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? We see the moon, the stars, the vast silent darkness stretching out forever. It all seems so solid, so predictable. But what if I told you beneath this familiar reality lies a world so bizarre it defies everything we think we know? What if the very fabric of existence, the stuff that makes you me, the distant galaxies, behaves in ways that seem like magic? This isn't a fantasy, it's quantum physics, the truest description of reality we have. It's a place where things can be in many places at once and only decide where they are when we look. Our journey begins, not by looking out, but by looking in, deep, deep inside. Imagine taking a simple object, like an apple, and cutting it in half, then in half again and again and again, down to a single molecule, then smaller. Break the molecule into atoms. For a long time we thought atoms were indivisible, like billiard balls, but the truth is stranger and more beautiful. An atom isn't a solid ball. It's mostly empty space, a tiny, dense nucleus at its heart, even tinier electrons dancing in a haze of possibility. The rules that govern this dance are unlike everyday rules. Think about this. The chair you're sitting on, the screen you're reading your own hands. They feel solid, but they are almost entirely empty space. Solidity is an illusion. Forces between ghostly electron clouds give that feeling. The quantum world doesn't care about common sense. It runs on a different logic. To grasp the real universe, we must let go of expectations. Be ready to accept reality is wonderfully weird. A journey that challenges what it means to be somewhere. So, are you ready to see the world as you've never seen it? Ready to question the nature of reality? We're stepping through a looking glass into a realm where particles pop in and out of existence, where uncertainty is a fundamental property, not an error. This isn't only about tiny particles. It's the story of everything built from the bottom up on shimmering probabilities and mind-bending paradoxes. Let's take the first step together into this magnificent, bewildering quantum realm. What exactly is this quantum world we're talking about? It is the universe on the smallest possible scale. If our everyday world is a giant, sprawling city, then the quantum realm is the blueprint, the very nuts and bolts from which everything is constructed. It's the world of atoms, electrons, photons. A photon, for example, is a single particle of light. When you feel the warmth of the sun on your face, you are being showered by countless trillions of these tiny packets of energy that have traveled 93 million miles just to greet you. Each one is a quantum object, a citizen of this strange and hidden kingdom. Now, an atom is the basic building block of all the elements we see around us. Atoms of oxygen in the air we breathe, atoms of carbon in the diamond of a ring, atoms of iron in our blood.